When it's time to buy something in your law firm, do you end the decision-making process by consulting your budget? If so, you're doing it all wrong. Hi, everybody. I'm Allison Williams here, your law firm mentor. Law Firm Mentor is a business coaching service for solo and small law firm attorneys. We help you to grow your revenues, crush chaos in business, and make more money. So you probably heard that question and answer and thought, what is she talking about? Of course we have to consult the budget when it's time to buy something. And you do have to think about your budget, but you should not end the analysis by considering your budget. So here's what I mean by that. I just recorded a podcast episode, I think it's number 27, and it was about what to do making decisions when resources are scarce. And so I want you to really think about when you feel that you have scarce resources. Oftentimes we don't really do the analysis. We just kind of go with our gut or we check the bank account. But when you think that you don't have enough, there are 3 things that you should focus on to really get clarity on that decision. So first, you should focus on creation. There are 3 ways to make money in a business. You can either sell more units, you can raise your prices, or you can collect more of what you've sold. So the question becomes, do you have an opportunity to collect more money, raise your prices, or sell more of what you're selling in your business? And as a law firm, almost invariably, you have an infinite amount of ability to sell more. The question is, who are you selling to? What are you selling, etc. So the second thing that you should focus on is focus on faith. And by faith, I don't mean religion. I mean the faith that you should have in yourself as a business owner. The reality is that we're never going to know today what tomorrow holds. We think that we do, we make plans, we have all sorts of projections, but if you really think about how your life has turned out, it rarely went according to plan for most of us. At some point in time, you had to pivot, you had to make decisions based on changes in circumstances, you had to go with the tide as it was. There's always going to be something that comes up that you didn't contemplate, and you were able to survive it. And so instead of focusing on your fear, which is all those things that could go wrong, I want you to contemplate focusing on your faith, which is all the things that have gone right, even when things went wrong. Third thing to focus on is I want you to focus on your ROI. So that means that anytime that you're looking at a service that is designed to produce more in your business, you really have to focus on what is the likelihood that if I invest in this business, strategy, program, source, activity, person, whatever it is, that I'm going to get a greater return on my investment than what I actually put in. So that means if you're contemplating purchasing, marketing, coaching, hiring someone, you're always going to be looking at what is coming on the other side of that purchase. Not simply, can I afford the purchase today? Because the reality is, if you ever invest in marketing and you don't get more money out of being able to generate more clients, you don't have a positive ROI. So the fact that you aren't losing money, really you are losing money because you could have just kept that money in your pocket, right? So I want you to really start to reframe the way that you're looking at these things. And one of the things that Law Firm Mentor is designed to do is to help you with that. So for those of you that have been following Law Firm Mentor for any length of time, you know that we have a free Facebook group, the Law Firm Mentor Movement. I invite you again, if you are not already in that group, to join the group, because we're going to do a whole series all about how to make decisions when resources are scarce. That follows up on that podcast episode that I just shared with you. You ought to check it out. Apple, Stitcher, Spotify, we're kind of everywhere. I'm Allison Williams, your law firm mentor, everyone. Have a great day.